Benefits of chamomile for skin. Benefits: promotes sleep and treats insomnia, reduces muscle spasms and period pain, soothes stomach ache, treats cuts, wound and skin conditions, reduces stress, lightens skin, reduces acne, anti-aging, treats sunburn, reduces under-eye dark circles. Or Cacia, Aromatherapy Body Oil, Tranquil Chamomile Review. Description: Pure essential oils. New look. Same great Tranquility. A blend of Roman chamomile, lavender, patchouli. Tested and verified for purity. Not tested on animals. No synthetic ingredients. Paraben and petroleum free. Suggested use: smooth over your body to deeply nourish your skin. Great as a bath oil too. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to running bath water. Luxury awaits. Other ingredients: Vitis vinifera, grape, seed oil, prunus armeniaca, apricot, kernel oil, prunus amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond oil, lavandula angustifolia, lavender oil, Avis balsamea, balsam fir, needle oil, pagostum cablin, patchouli oil, Cymbopogon martini, palmarosa oil, Pelargonium graveolens, geranium oil, Chamomile noble, Roman chamomile oil, tocopherol, vitamin E. Warnings: store tightly closed in a cool, dry place. Caution: if pregnant, nursing, suffering from any medical condition, or taking medication, consult a healthcare practitioner before use. Avoid eyes and mucous membranes. May irritate skin. For external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.